In this video, I'll walk through how you can call the Credarius API to get order shipments for an order. So first, let's find the API endpoint that we'll need to use. For that, I'll go to Swagger, which is your URL/services, and I'll go to the Account API. Now here we want to find the Customer Order API, and then the List Order Shipments endpoint right here. If we click into it, we can see that this endpoint takes an order ID and a request body. So let's go ahead and call this endpoint. I already have a script written up, so I'll go to that. And here first, before you call that endpoint, you'll want to call the API key login endpoint and the auth token endpoint to get your user session API key and auth token. I've already gone over this in a previous video, so I'll just skip over that for now. And then down here, you will want to call that order shipment list endpoint. Here I'm sending in the order ID and also some headers, except content type application JSON, and my user session API key from that API key login endpoint, and a CSRF token from that auth token endpoint. Then down here I'm sending in a request body with sort by tracking number and sort direction ascending, just as an example. And I'm also sending in some filter fields to only return the tracking number that is equal to this. But you don't have to send any filter fields or sorts if you don't want to. I'm just sending them in as an example. So now let's go ahead and run the script. I'll clear my logs and run. Now here we can see we got success true and one element was returned. And if we go to the content, we can see our order shipment with order shipment ID, external order number, and tracking number. And that's about it.